These series keypads are specially designed for public environment applications, such as vending machines, ticket machines, payment terminals, telephones, access control systems, and industrial machines. The case and the front panel are built from chrome-plated zinc alloy material with high resistance to impact and vandalism, and the waterproof grade could reach to IP65. The frame and case are made of RoHS-approved zinc alloy material. The conductive rubber inside with carbon layers. The contact resistance is less than 150 ohms. The elastic force is around 250 grams. The PCB board is Yuyao approved printed circuit board with golden fingers. And we could also increase metal holes outside, and the size could be customized completely.